I'm Kevin Cox from Life.0. We are working on a new project called Newton. This is our first project. We will be pushing out a beta March 1st. Applications for beta testing will be done. We won't accept anymore after February 25th. Currently, our system is not compatible with USB stick, but by the beginning of beta, it will be. It will be able to be tested on a VMware machine, which is what I plan on testing it on first. Then it's going to be beta testing for USB sticks, because once we know that it's usable and bootable by USB sticks, we know that it is good enough to be installed and ran as an operating system. I hope you like it. Thank you. We are running off of OpenSUSE. It's very easy to use. You just hit enter where it says Linux user, and then just hit enter again because there is no password. This operating system is compatible with laptops, desktops, and tablet laptops. We're using a GNOME design. There's a taskbar. It comes with an activities section up on the status bar, and it has a time and the day. It also has a power on, power off for quick use and access. And it has a drop down arrow, which will basically volume and that setting up there. And as you can see, it's very easy, very smooth, very appealing to the eye. The settings are really easy. I'm not going to show you this right now because I don't want to spoil. You open it up, the activities, and those are the two basic apps. We went very basic. If you want, you can go. We plan on opening up our own applications marketplace, basically. And we're going to hook that into the operating system for you. That way, you don't have to worry about it. You want to start out with bare minimals and work your way up. Now, this is very easy to use. Your child can use this in school. Your grandparents can use this. Even you can use this. It is a very good utility. And we just opened up Firefox. And we're now opening up OpenSUSE. OpenSUSE is an open source application as well as Firefox. That's why we chose those. OpenSUSE, as you can see, is a lot like Microsoft Word if you're using a Windows computer. However, it looks like an older version of Microsoft. But that's okay. This reason is because LibreOffice formed its own group because they used to work with Microsoft developers, and they thought that the price on that product was raising obscene. And so they didn't like that price, so they decided to make their own and make it open source off of their platform. We made a file. There are many fonts and many styles, and it's very easy to save. There are a lot of options in it. You can save it as a Word document. You can save it as a regular document, text document. Very easy to save. We saved it in the desktop. Now to open it, all you need to do is hit Activities, hit there, and then all you need to do is go over to Desktop, and then you'll see the file right there. As you can see, there are not many directories, so it is very easy to learn and very simple to manipulate. My sister is not very tech savvy with computers, so really all she really knows how to do is open up Windows and Word and Facebook and look at our grades, which you can do these very simply. We have Java plugins in it, so Minecraft users can do that on a bunch of other games. It's very easy to install applications as well. We want to open up our own marketplace so that way you can go in and download apps rather than going online and learning how to install it. It also has a terminal for people who want to get inside easier. Install many other repositories. The screen is very customizable. We just chose this because it's very simple and very easy to use. As you can see by the date and time, it's very simple, very catchy to the eye. The entire operating system, we tried to make it catchy to the eye. Black and green. And as you can see at the top, it fades into a black. Very easy settings for the date and time. You can choose whether to do this option or the next option. And there's just pretty simple but pretty easy customizable options. And there we go. Again, we're going to be going over here and we're going to be locking our computer. Bam. It's kind of like an Android. When you hit the clock app, it opens up like that, and it'll make sure that you can't log out or anything, or you can't shut down your computer. And so all you have to do is to get yourself back in is hit enter and then hit enter again. Unless you have a password, then enter your password and then hit enter. Well, there we go, guys. We're about to power off the machine. We hope you like this. If you enjoyed this and you want to become a part of the group or part of the development team for this project, please go to www.lifepoint, P-O-I-N-T, not a dot, and then a 0, .weebly.com. You spell Weebly, WEEBLY.com. Okay, thank you. Enjoy.